Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through the process of changing your email address in the Clubhouse app. If you want to update your account email quickly and securely, this video will help you understand each step clearly. First, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then, tap on the gear icon Settings. In the Settings menu, you will see your profile name displayed at the top. Tap on your profile name to open the profile options. From here, click on the email option to proceed with updating your email address. Next, enter your new email address carefully in the provided field. After entering your new email, click on the Verify button. Clubhouse will then send a verification email to the new address you provided. Finally, open your email inbox, find the message from Clubhouse, and click on the Verify My Email button inside the message. This will confirm your new email address and complete the update process successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.